Here in Bitpulse, we provide digital convenience po. And ipapakita ko kung paano natin gagawin yung ating digital order taking process using our Tindahan application. So I have the QR code for table number 1 po. I am going to scan the QR code. And then, automatically, it gets redirected me to my Tindahan application po. Of course, before we take order, we need to sign up or log in first. So I'm going to use my Gmail account to log in or sign up. Automatically, it gets redirected to our online Tindahan platform po, and I can see the menu, and then mag-order na po ako kung ano yung gusto kong orderin. Once you're good to go, confirm nyo lang po yung order. The moment you tap confirm order po, makikita nyo po, we have our live location, and this is for dining. Tap lang natin yung yes, then automatically, once this is good to go po, here in our MOT application, under our online Tindahan order po, makikita po natin dito by filtering our pending status. Tap lang natin yung okay, yung order ng ating customer. I am going to transfer this one. This is dine-in for table number 1. Tap process. Transfer lang natin siya to table number 1 and then tap OK. Automatically, under our MOT table management, table number 1 will be occupied under the customer name Bitpulse Rose. Tap lang natin yung Tindahan order if the customer wanted to pay. Tap lang natin yung tender sales, input the pera of the customer, let's say 1,500 pesos, tap OK. Automatically, yung ating Bluetooth printer for the receipt will print. And this is the sample receipt po.